What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be covering Derp Birds on my second episode of CNFT Spotlight, where I discuss an already established project and tell you why I'm bullish on it. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to not miss a single CNFT video. And I'd also appreciate it if you could like this video, as it helps my channel grow. While you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT, as I post CNFT news, CNFT discussions, and CNFT giveaways on the regular. And if you're already on Twitter and you love me enough, make sure you follow my project, Nerds and Virgins, on Twitter at NerdsCNFT. Of course, you don't have to, but I appreciate it if you did. So the project we're covering today is Derp Birds. So what is Derp Birds and why am I bullish on it? Derp Birds are a series of 10,000 hand-drawn Cardano-based NFT collectibles. Each bird is unique and is special. Derp Birds is funny, they're unique, and in my mind, they're a clear standout in the Cardano NFT ecosystem. They stand out in many ways, but on pure art alone, they do as well. They're very unique. Think about it. Have you seen NFTs like this? They're kind of that doodle look, and I really dig it. And it's not just me who digs it, with Derp Birds being ranked 12 in all-time volume ranking on OpenCNFT, which is huge considering there's been thousands of projects. So Derp Birds is clearly already established, and people clearly already dig it. And if you've been paying attention to their social media platforms, like Twitter and Discord, you would have seen this yourself. This community is arguably the most wild and the most active community that I've ever seen on Cardano. They're everywhere, and it's brilliant. And that's just a testament to the Derp Birds team for building this atmosphere and for building this community. So along with the art, their community is very strong. And these two things have led Derp Birds to be very successful. And I am personally a huge fan. Another thing that I'm a really big fan of is their gamified collecting experience. So, what do I mean by this? So if we head over to their roadmap, you'll see Season 1, the Derp Flock, the initial project launch of a unique hand-drawn, procedurally generated 10,000 Derp Birds. Then you got the egg accumulation, where the mad scientist has developed an incubation device that allows a male derps to produce eggs containing derplings, aka baby derp. So if you head over into the top right corner of their website and you hover over the mint section, you'll see use incubator and hatch egg. So the idea behind this is you get your derp, and with that you can use the incubator to get a baby derp, which is amazing for a couple reasons. One, the way how they've gone about doing this. So usually with the whole standard baby shit and all this stuff, the standard thing to do with NFTs, you do your initial drop, you do females, then you have babies, and it's all airdropped and all this. But they're doing it in a special way. With the incubator and this gamified way of doing it, I believe this stands out and it's very cool. And also, it's not as just simple as I've said it. So with the incubator, here's how it's going to work. The eggs are used to hatch derplings, aka baby derps. After being incubated, the eggs can hatch 2 weeks after they are curated. There will be 15,000 eggs created, but only 7,500 eggs will be hatched into derplings. Therefore, there will only be 7,500 derplings. And this incubation will cost $16.88. There's a whole ton more details on how a rare derp and a common derp are different when doing this. And it's very layered and very detailed. So I'd recommend you head into their Discord, go to the C2 roadmap section and have a read for yourself. I would do it, but if I were to do this, it would take up more than half the video. But nonetheless, they are doing an already established thing, but putting their own twist on it, and I believe they're fucking nailing this. And it's super interactive, and it's absolutely brilliant by the Derps team. The biggest key from this is you need to hold a derp. And if you want to get airdropped one egg, you need to hold 5 derps. So this is another thing that I like about this, and what I like going forward. So their goal for this project is to continuously reward bird holders who are active in the community. So this makes these NFTs valuable. So as of yet, they may not have any actual utility as in gamification and all that stuff, but they have huge incentives to hold, which is proven to bring value to NFT sets. If you're rewarded so much, why would you sell this NFT? And if no one's selling, that puts upward pressure on the price. Economics 101, giving the NFT set value. And the Derp Birds team have recognized this and are doing this quite nicely. So, not only do the holders get given exclusive drops, airdrops, and all this other awesome stuff, the value of their investments hypothetically keep rising as well. So it's a double-edged sword, and it's a double-edged sword that all investors appreciate, which is great. And it gives me a show of confidence that Derp Birds are focused on the long-term value of their set, opposed to doing a quick drop, making a couple million or whatever, and then just pissing off like some NFT sets have. So this gives you a good indication that they are a great set and they have long-term value. And you can see this in the numbers right here. Only 1,700 assets are listed, out of 10,000 that was sold. So only 17% are up on the market. So this goes to show people are holding on to these derps. And as you can see, the value is there. So the incubation seems cool. When is all this happening? This is happening on the 27th of October. So make sure you follow Derp Birds on Twitter and join the Derp Birds Discord so you can keep up to date with this all. And if you want to get in on it, you have to buy a derp. So a couple of key things that I really like about Derp Birds is just how unique they are. They're doing nothing the same as everyone else. Even how they're doing their baby drops is different. It's a gamified experience. I've never seen this. It's awesome. Their art is unique. Even the stuff they post on Twitter is unique. They just stand out. And with thousands of NFT projects, they have to. And they have nailed this. And this has attracted a flock of thousands of derps. And I can only see this continue to rise. This is only season 1. And they've built up a huge community and huge buzz and huge volume. And I can only see this continue to rise as their dear holders get rewarded and compensated very well for holding. I'm not sure what's in store for season 2, season 3 and all that, but I cannot wait to see it. I have no doubt in my mind that the Derp Birds team will kill it. And given how season 1 is going and how holders are getting rewarded for holding their derps, I can see the same for season 2 with original derp holders being rewarded and for seasons onward from here. So I really do believe the value of these derps will continue to rise, and I believe this could potentially be a good long-term hold. With that being said, as bullish as I am on Derp Birds, I encourage you to do your own research because I am not a financial advisor and none of this should be taken as financial advice. This is just a video for educational and entertainment purposes. So please do your own research before buying anything. Also, just a quick disclaimer as well, I was not paid by Derps. This is just a video that I've made because I like this project. I wasn't paid, I wasn't incentivized, nothing. I just like Derp Birds. So anyway, nerds and virgins, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think of Derp Birds. Do you think they have long-term value? And if you're a part of the derp community, drop a derp in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and most importantly found it valuable, I'd appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single CNFT video. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all next time.